The VIN number can be found on the lower left portion of the dash from the outside looking through the bottom of the front windscreen. The VIN number is also located on the driver's door jamb vehicle identification sticker. Using the sticker on your driver's door jamb, you can also determine the production date of your vehicle, as indicated by the green arrow. Using the sticker on the driver door jamb, you can also find your BMW model, green arrow, and the tire pressure specifications, as well as compatible tire size options, purple arrow. Important VIN digit positions, the first 3 digits are the country of origin. The 4th and 5th position are the vehicle model. Position 6 is the type of engine. The 10th digit of your VIN is the vehicle's model year. The last 7 are the serial number. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.